Yes, so guys, good evening. Let's pump some music. Good evening. Sorry, guys, I'm back again. Hello, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm back again. My phone was there. I mean, it's not very clear, but now I guess it's okay. And secondly, I just have a kind of important call, and I need to attend to something very important. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So let's go there. Yes, so welcome you, my personal person. I greet you. Please try to invite and share the video. Invite people, invite to watch, and let's support each other as well too. You can still drop your comment below and share the video. God will bless you for watching. God bless you. And please always follow me on my page, Betty Sibo page, and on my YouTube channel is Lady B, who is perfect. Who is perfect, brother and sister? Nobody. No one is perfect. Too. Nobody is perfect. Too. In short, there everybody, but no one is perfect. No one too much. That is my name on my YouTube. So always join me. Subscribe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Try to subscribe, and God will bless you. Okay, people. Yes, so share the video, like the video, invite people. I greet all of you now with the name of the Lord. How na day? How is everybody doing? Hope na day fine. Yes, so just a quick one, not a very long one, because now I dey be now. They like sharp video, not doing long too much. First of all, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God will bless you as you do so. Yes, I want to congratulate our brother. Sorry, guys. See, I drink small water when my throat not dry. I want to congratulate our brother, Ere Nora, Papa Nora, which is a no give. I greet you. Congratulations. No matter the issue, no matter the condition, me and you not getting quarrel. Never, but I need to join you happy. Though I can't be the verse small. Not the sack that one they do. It's too much, understand? When I just feel calm down, they make sense. At least my family man now. Well, that one may I reserve that talk. Another congratulations again to Sandra Aigbogun. Sandra, congrats for your house. Yes, so congratulations. A big congratulations. You try at least anyhow. All those one way they throw away money, where they say they're too much. Me, I don't know, say they never even build that. They even get the way they throw away money, they fix eyelash where they reach breast. Plus, with one way they reach where they pass nyash. Me, I don't know, say they never even build. But and they go use the best with one and everything. They put their money, they invest on with one and all those things. So everywhere good shot, that one at their life. Me, I surprised, say, sorry guys, my baby won't distract me. So I surprised, say something it can't still be like that. But everywhere good shot. So right now I have to load the music or remove the music. But meanwhile, just 1 second, guys. 1 second. 1 second, guys. This music has to stop right now. Yes, guys, I'm back again. I'm here again. Yes, I need to just use the phone for my for something else. I mean, yeah. So, guys, as I was saying, big congratulations to Sandra Aigbogun. She did well. I mean, Mama easy, no matter the condition. Not easy, no, now it be now, guys. It's not really so easy. My book, I think the rights. I don't want to forget something. The things I just jot down to just quickly rush and tell so that I will just, sorry, I will just do other things. I mean, sleep because I have to go somewhere very early tomorrow, but I have to make this video. I know it be now with the analyze issue. all of us, all of them join. That's so we be. So, like I was saying before, congrats to Sandra. I go good one. You did well. You did your best. I mean, one even if now one room you build, 2 rooms, 5 rooms, one upstairs, whatever. You try. Not easy this time around. Smith, 4,000 plus, almost 5,000 naira. It's not easy. So even if now before you do on and now, you try, kudos. So if they say if you see person when they happy, you join her happy, or return to who I mean no go where they go. Mommy, you join her happy because let's see, as in if person they happy, join her happy because God will they bless you. If you join person happy, I mean if you congratulate person way good, way do something good, God will see they bless you. You understand? I feel no. So that's how it be. You need to celebrate with those that are celebrating. It's just the truth. Even if maybe you're hungry with them or you're not hungry, whatever, try to celebrate with them. It's in the Bible, God will not bless you. Sorry, guys, train the pass. Once I did train station, that be my house, as in back of train station, and my house day. Now we just did the. If you want to come my house now, it's easy. You know, you're going for train, you're enter, boy, everywhere good. So, like I was saying. Some down costly pass go one corner. But meanwhile, they say what I watched yesterday about the other one, I me. I don't understand that lady shower. You know, they say if person know where if you come, you go see now you take they do it things. Although many prisoners doesn't talk about it, I never watch many. Only one person I just watch today. You know, that I not even there as I come home, I can't see the wash and you don't use the earpiece. You know, that she I just see wash. But I don't see many people don't analyze them already. Let me see quickly talk now. How much away my house, boza. You understand? So my people, yeah, bunny on where you they do gian. I mean where I think no I don't understand. I be not like you, but you could they. If you see that when they watch her film, I like her. I love her. In short, don't be even like that are black with a big eye boy. Truth, if I just say truth to God, I don't know. I'm going to say because she resembles one of my cousins too. I go, you like her. I would say very fine, you know, the thing fits her. But I hear many story about her. I know say nobody will not get story or nobody will not get bad talk. Everybody they say picky we see you know those things. I know the story, but I don't want to see many things. All those unconscious part. The one she called you do yesterday, I made it for yesterday. That one still touched me small. It touched me because I don't understand. If they do live video, you say person comment and you be happy. I watch your live video. I even did live. I can't when she did live. I can't watch her that was it yesterday? That video for yesterday when she did live. They do that video. I know they watch her, but I know your comment. The next thing she just start again. As in after she just talk dancing, you can't start to talk. That I'd already put the phone for table. I can't cook while they wash her. Just constantly they talk, and so person comment all those kind of stuff. Must you just answer everybody? See the Genevieve and all of them, most of them, Mercy Johnson, many. Then they see Regina Daniel too. As them do Regina Daniel rich. Regina Daniel and number they are among number 1. If you count 5 people, Regina Daniel name must come out for inside. Now she the bully pass. Every bully, if she cough, then we talk. She born, she get belly. They quarrel that day and the husband, she still talk. Now, bet anything what she do, she go to tomorrow. They say they bring us and the husband. Me, I don't know. They say they not still there. Girl, those guys. Me don't know whether not true or not lie. But there's Zanzan that girl, that small girl. And that small girl supposed to they talk, they verse, they shout for everybody for social media. They talk, say no, I not put my body for my mouth. Why not talk my issue? I use God beg now. All those kind of stuff. That small girl supposed to they holler, they talk. But no, she not even talk. She your boof. Your book, because me never see any one video where she go come talk or reply anybody. But they bull everybody is Zara, not be lie. I know the story. When she even married, when she even married the idiot herself, oh my God. Again, I asked Lele, 60 years, 59 years old man. Now Regina go marry Regina now 18 years old. You don't say that 3 years ago, I be not be she do the marriage. I'll be 2 years. Everybody know the story now. I understand it. What am I trying to say is this, that now she's supposed to be vex, they confuse, they talk, they make marks, they make people not talk to them, or make people not even they comment to. But she not talk, the poor girl, both, you lock up, both, everybody, how they do at thing. But this our Benin actress, me, I don't understand some of them. Any small to you, they talk, go see the message, just say, go see all of them, they have many money, they know they talk. A message just say and name with the name, like, if, for example, if you cough, you put up for live video, everybody will see the comment. I'll just see struck pass. I'll still comment. I'm not comment. But it's not me to comment year course or all those kinds. I'll lock up. I'll both. Even if it's just in one sleep like that, or for example, like the one I see watch yesterday, all of them gonna wear green or the family. You want to pull children for bed, all those kinds of things. The children cause he come back again, come meet them for palo. Cause he comment. Come away to that place. I don't know by now. Now yesterday I watched up there. Now I know they don't pass 1,000 comments. And like and this thing what they call shares. Eh? You be star, you be celebrity. I be your like, I'm not like to you. But now this yesterday when you make me the verse. You get one video I see make because of you say they say they carry all those sugar daddy, all those bobo. I can see you still talk. Put say, may you still live all those sugar daddies, still live on that person husband now so. Nobody is perfect. That is my name on my YouTube. Who is perfect? Nobody. But alright, to a very man. Alright, to Agbaro I'm not coming, I didn't come here to insult anybody, but just to throw advice, encouragement. Nobody pass, say, I beg you, don't encourage me. Go encourage yourself, go give you no. You can encourage me, I can encourage you, of course, and so the world be. Nobody know I finish. You don't say whether there's Zanzan, you and my sister, I mean, I don't say I be like you, I say they repeat that word. The best way where I like. But since when you're going to come out for this thing, at least when I didn't for social media, don't see do again. That time now, the movie sees Zanzan you. Now we constantly know about you. We will not know till they go home. And many now again, person your comments. Somebody they prepare you. Eh? Everybody, nobody know the pepper. But you use brain sit to do. I understand. Not be so. And you go radio. They dance, they happy. One comment to your can spoil your happiness. I mean, make me radio. No. Every person who calls you as you dance, don't they happy already? Say your birthday. You don't need that. See today, now today be your birthday, I guess so. Everybody for still share your video, those things. You can still go do it business yesterday, now everybody because they talk about you. Yes, so nobody today I started to talk. When I go check my video, make people not say why you see the talk. When I go share videos, what I don't do, check my page Betty Sibo and my YouTube. My YouTube Lady B, who is perfect, and they do videos small. You know, I know it be now. So now small one day everything will go viral. And so it be more again and book badai. So that one can be that one. My sister, I want you to encourage you. Fine, they told me many things. They buy with all those things. They invest me that word. So person comment. But so if person build that, you don't want to build that for village. Your hand where you want to build that as a player. If person like you build that where you call young when you come back. He build us for what we call Iguanyami. Now he has now she be la lady, now she be la lord. Yes, so when they film, you know easy. Once I take up that was easy. Who day Europe say we see they suffer, they easy for person who computers. Talk or say person within Nigeria, she try near. Now make I use one word just to say congratulations Sanduka. But when we in Nigeria, when we build my own, when we in European, nobody tell me congratulations. Because of one reason or the other, they don't say, "Na baby one can show now." I show the love here. Oh, love you say I am me. You understand? Sorry guys. So that one be. You understand me? Anywhere where the person for build, even if na Nigeria na Europe, even if na Okobo, na inside village, you know me, the person try because it's not that easy. It's not that easy to build us. Why is it? The truth is very bitter. You come back, yes, this time around I say 4,005, 4,000. Come back, you know how many bags of you use to build as confess, or why is it? It's not in Nigeria for that matter. I say we were there Europe, you not see day easy before we config build house. Before we config build house, it's not day easy. Thank God now she don't build now. They tell her congratulations everywhere good. Now make I say some people don't build since they don't tell them congratulations, but everywhere good. One day, 50 video he has, or rather I go do party for a house. People will see them and congratulations. They will see shock, say, so you get this house now, we don't even know. As maybe it don't be done since 5 years or 4 years or 10 years ago. A boy when you want to know, repent time again, or rather make your this small party birthday for them. We go do they'll come see and say, now you get and say proof. They say maybe name day or 1 or 2 things. Everybody they call her sister. Hey, sister Nanya one away. Everybody will shock. It will shock you. You understand? So everywhere good. You understand me? Everywhere good for that one. They'll try to tell you, my sister, yours not be so. So they talk say they buy with one. And so now and then as a parent you want to build your house. Feel like you build your house for heaven, you build that for sky, you build that for Lagos, you build that for First Stack, for Ikoyi, for Nenemi. Now your house, nobody will carry it for your hand. But people they encourage you say, try to go build if you never get. Now good thing, because you know they expire. Oh, why expire? Oh, why expire? Go see they there. You understand? Maybe no, let me do this video, don't disturb. Why expire, you understand? So that's the way it be. Yeah? But you say you put money with one, you buy with one of 200,000, 500,000. I don't understand. With one 500,000. Me no rewebo. Me no they do that thing again. I give one year where I don't get children for what? Now before I never get children, they do. I don't even buy with one 1,000 euro. Before years ago, 1,000, 1,005. With one you buy a ring, one go reach your nyash. You go even pass your bump on self. I don't buy them. I get the proof of some picture. When I mean that I go wire and come. You go pass nyash. I said they don't even buy the with one self. I pay a cash. They don't say this is one why they told you don't reach 10 years, I'll be 12 years. That will still dating now. On my area because a human hair, no. When me even buy and sell that time, not be lie, not be joke. I was gonna say, with one and also, yeah. He said, I was gonna say, this with one go reach person take buy land. You consider the builder. That is you consider do foundation. I'll be smart. I said that year. All those 10 years ago, the thing cost square itself. Maybe let me finish this video, okay? My child, my love. You understand? Now so it be. You gonna say, this before go this person take build take buy land, take build house. As you take buy land, you do foundation. Now you yourself want to buy take buy with us. So I say, leave man, you won't buy that time. And you walk, you know all those things. And you don't just see the rain and say, the man do it, you know. At the end of the day, I buy them. And they talk about 10 years, 12 years ago, so 15 years ago. But this time around, you know, if you try and me over here, they with 500,000. And they crazy. I don't keep that money for account for my children. Why I don't get children? Don't born boy, I won't get. I'll keep the money for my account. Now I say, if for my children account or any account, make I keep for them. Or take buy things for them. So I buy with 500,000. Anyone where you buy, so far it fits you. One of our sister fed on the talker for one video. Say anyone where you buy, if you like, they use what they call attachment to do with one. As far as you put on hand, the thing fits you like they put. If you don't fit you, like people say, I bet one how much you want. Once it fits you, everybody will see the tribute. They talk say what that person know how much they buy with one for your birthday. 200,000, 500,000. All those one will be investment, my sister. The truth is very bitter. I go one advice you, not me, not be quarrel, not be fine. Nobody will insult you. For me, I know will insult you because you know insult me, but I just they give you advice, encouragement because I encourage you, but not me anything. You understand? That's the way it be. I don't understand. Now they buy with one, they say no, I want me my this thing, my investment, my this, my that. Huh? And they tell you now say go marry me, you go. Yahweh, not being so Yahweh. You understand the manner. Why am I message you on me now? I they use the phone. I will see. Especially money no run because my sister. For your man, not using and say I try to find Bonnie must be. You get the time we go rich. My sister help me a period if you period of fear boy. Okay, I don't know they talk. It be like flower. You get where you will reach after some time. The thing will come again. You don't understand. That's what that one be. So if you can't be like that, how you want comfortable? That money, the investor, they came out for your children. I know of one person, one presenter for this social media. Sorry, guys. I know of one presenter for this social media. Sorry, guys. A baby won't so. What the hell? Me here will have video again. You go, you get up for bed. Children, don't be here. Yes, I want to live video. Go say yes. My mom doesn't start to the talk for honorary grant. As in, my mommy not they talk to anybody. I don't understand. We all carry the talk. You know, say na live video person they do. So you understand? You invest for grant. Me know of one person. I don't want to call anybody name for this social media. She don't get the money from your phone. They come and say you don't get money, you don't get picking, you don't get picking. Everybody come they laughing. But today now, she don't get what everybody they laughing for. But she know what she can they do. She get the money. She can they gather the money. They gather and she get money. Saying that so you buy a house for Abuja, that's so you get for Lagos, that's so you get for Javin, that's so you get here, that's so you get here. They call it and say go marry me you born. Go marry me you born. You say yeah, more than live on. They call it saying you get money, you know they share, you never born like way more. Today now, you don't dare now, don't get the belly. Because she know how she take plan in life. Your own, you say now wivon you dey put her. You dey put her for wivon. Your birthday now, so amount. Your name. As another thing again, that time you do this similar and I leave this year, be last year, 15 years anniversary. Oh boy, that anniversary, I think in a marriage you want to do that money which you do anniversary, my sister, and I have advice you. I know they insult you, I know if they insult you. That money which you do anniversary, it didn't shock me based on see I see the settings, everything, money where you spend. My sister, you won't want to why are we marriage? Now why energy? Yes, of course. Again, I did not go with marriage. You know, no, you will pay your bride price, you pay the bride price finish. Once you pay the bride price, we need the bride price at 24 naira, gele or na 100 naira or 500 naira. The rest, the woman go take over, go do. If for your kukuma do, you don't know what thing we do. How you do anniversary of? I don't know, I don't understand that anniversary what you do. Not be lie. Now big money now you use. If for your kukuma use that. Who was kukuma use ye marriage na why energy? Na why energy? You salobo, I don't understand. They be worry. Guys, pop him and just comment and like the video. God bless you. Please, guys, please support me. Let's support each other. God bless you. Your comments will be useful, guys. Okay, so you understand. So now so it be, and the way they talk for this thing. They reply the person way comment is it shows say the verse for this girl. It just show. Yeah? The thought say na village she go build. You know, if you like maybe Festa, maybe Koi, maybe Lagos, maybe Sky Heaven. You even build now your home. This is what she build now your home. Yes, that's how it be. So far she no go dey rent again. But you now they say you see the rent there. What should you say come better for your mind now? You arrange your room, your house fine anyhow, as in where you did for your rent according to the way that everybody they talk. That way you come build the house. Which one you say a big house for your mind? Which one you say go get rest of my pass? Now she will not already build the home because she will not build the home. She will dey chunky. Everything go dey okay. If you like it, cross the leg for outside or you go anywhere, you open your own lights or your own water. Nobody will say I beg you don't do. But rent own person must tell you say I beg stop. Not they come in the night again, or not they make noise, or not they do this one. Yes, we know the story. We know the story. All of us have stay rented house before for Nigeria, before we come Europe. Thank God, God don't still bless us now. We don't still get our own. You understand? There's a big difference. Big difference there. You don't understand why you just come they talk all those kind many talk where be say you come they cause quarrel. You want to celebrate your birthday now you don't use your matter spoiler based on the way they talk. I don't understand you. Wait, wow, you really now then get money. Then get money. So they help people. Yes, it's good to help people. Not be bad. But here, no, my sister. Even when we are helping, pumping, tomorrow they come help you. Nobody will come tomorrow come help you. Say, hey, you get problem. Before you go see person, we go see help you. Now God. I don't say me not help them. Of course, it's a very good thing to help the less privileged. But that one, when they talk cannot be less privileged. You even the help self. You say nah, for party you spray 200,000, 300,000 for party. I don't understand. Huh? You understand? Every week you spray 300,000, 200,000 every week. Ha! I wish you got that in here. I give them kudos to them. I raise my nyash for them. So they get money. They get money. So you can't balance any. You can't even spray every week. They spray to 200,000. Meaning in a month, although I need almost 1 million we will spray every month. Every month, so all those people they do party. Now, wow, hello. Even we are cooking, we have if you don't even get more than 4 hours, 5 hours, when we titi say, when we titi say, or send we get more win when we titi say, when we so social media, you so very, but one more winning in the way here. But when hotel NSF, in short, hotel, keke, filling station, the one thing they do and they noise, person know the hear word. See, who get where is that good numbers? I don't know, Sha. Who get not will make noise, but who not get you go make me shock yesterday when they watch your video say he so now rent you still there for that your house where you put your frame everything where the modes you put for frame. I say na your house so I don't know say na inside the house then you come they use that tell they jealous of person we build. She know herself now make she go build Sophie. She look beneath she do beneath so take on that music they hustle she was hustling to make sure say she build house remove mama for rent pikin. If you picking come now, or if you did Nigeria, go see her sit down. She too, she go see where they balance, they do a film. If you like me, this I whole inside village. Or painting no wow, VP, sure we POP or violate no wow, painting wow. They okay almost say, or yeah, will be understand. I don't understand now when I come the kind thing when I come to do the one thing they do for that now. Where they call them the film industry, be whatever. Or you know why I'm in short. Once you talk about that thing, many talk, I don't just remember everything. Now, little of food, and they recognize any name, two of food, I don't understand. I don't know, shall I agree, The two of them will water, and two of food, and you up with the name you have, forget that thing. When I'm not doing a thing, they get baby social media, then get money, who get on the talk, who get on the chat, who get on the misbehave, who get on the make noise. You understand? They get money, and buy with 200,000, 300,000, put up on you, like say, I might make a woman what day. Of course, if you want man, if you want buy lash, clothes, shoe, everything, it's good to buy the best. Yes, if the money there, you buy them for yourself, buy them for your children. If you don't see to get the money, you still buy the one we see cheap. But meanwhile, before you buy all those kind of luxurious things and me waiting they expensive, you will fair make sure say at least you don't get one house. Say, hey, I won't go buy over. Once you don't get that one, then if you can't buy those things, even say if you never see which make they buy those things, maybe say you buy 200,000 for you buy 1 million hair for your birthday cake. I don't understand. Because it's not for you buy for almost for 1 million when we are that. Eh? Not be only this head they want put her. If you say na low cut come they the rain, so you put different color do any sporty wave or we won't see the rain. No one will know the rain, but at least which kind of party you want marriage you want to people they do marry self. Yeah, people they do marry self. I'm with 4 hair. How you say you buy 4 hair for your party birthday? People when they do marriage, they don't they buy 4 hair. When we do marriage, I don't buy 4 hair. Musician come. People come everywhere full, everywhere bust, everywhere cast. I don't buy 4 hair for my hair. Excuse me, how can you to name more? You see gather for children. Yes, of course. If you don't say you buy 4 hair now for this your marriage, you want to do so. You buy the name now. I go the year, go the enter my ear. Welcome you guys. Invite and share the video and comment. God bless you. God bless you. You understand? If you don't say you get 4 weavon, saying you want to do marriage, I go the year while I have a hoe. Hey, weavon, remember ya, as in, marriage. I pray may God still give you the husband, may you still marry. You know? You say na birthday, at the end they talk. Why are you learn now, Besonia? See Genevieve, see Regina, and if I talk, I don't zanzan with my phone. I don't see where Regina come they talk, they answer people. Now Regina, they are more the people then bully pass. When she take do marriage, when she married the one, when she born, before she everything they come out. If Regina mess, it will come out for life. If he talk, it go. If he cough, it will come out. Small girl of 18, they bully her to the core. They bully her to the court, to the extent say me self where they wash her. When they even the feel for her, say or twagbe. You understand? You understand? We be saying now yours come the cause trouble for yourself. That one I think they happy. We don't tell you say okay, happy birthday, congratulations, warrior. You just spoil the mood of everybody. We you take talk to answer and I say now only you want to talk. People will sabi talk, they don't want to talk. The most beautiful one are yet to be unborn. They never see born them. They only see find parts of this world. If I talk from one of my videos, now the truth. If you like, you take it or not. You understand? Why did why you want to respect yourself? Some of you now, okay, so boy, yeah. How if I say by encouraging, but me, you understand? Why did why? They do person on the year was social media about more than here. Umaya wale when Maya settle down and work wa beer. Me self, I get your shape self. But you never born see your shape. Your fine shape. But if you born one choir, you can be me the yes I the verse what I to get body. But you know how many I don't drop by the grace of God. You know how many I don't drop. You will never drop down one at all. I pray may God still give you. I don't be God we go give pikin. You never drop down one. You don't get big bonbon like me. You don't get big lap like me. All those kind of things. Now wow, I greet you. Not be smart you. I just tired. By the grace of God, now me don't drop. So no know you go me. I'm blessed with 6 kids. 6 by the grace of God. How easy? May God protect them for me. Protect each and every one of us. Protect all our children. No give me my head, no give them also be my head, no give want to be my head. So no you go here. When my way reason of a mom over here, like you want to be here, all those kind of things. Okay, we want 200,000. You buy for her, and we want to do birthday. You want to do marriage? I buy for you. I greet you. I raise my hands for you, shall. Well, shall enough of a bony matter. You just try to do me. You just in short all those things where they do me. Just calm down. Be calming down. Stop it and stop. Bragging, you brag too much. You brag too much, people want to get the money. People get money, they don't talk. I don't mind people get money, they don't go talk, they just keep quiet. They make noise, you say you are your friend, not two of them, they spoil the social media. And 2 of you now, but you teach them again and a gallant pass. I don't understand. Who get one thing where that thing boy, you understand? That thing boy. Not if buy for me now as I me with the Europe, I not if buy of 200,000, 300,000. Of course, if you buy for me to do gift, I will carry on. Me go use my own money to buy. My brother, my sister, I know they lie. I know they brag. I know if you buy. You know why? You know why I not fit buy? Because of my children, I not fit buy. I am blessed with 6 kids. I will keep that money for them. If I want buy, I will still buy. I know how much. I know my limits. I know my limit now. I will avoid 300 euro, 400 euro, which is it will avoid 200 euro, 300 euro, which is almost 200,000. You understand? 300 euro at least. If they tell me they buy with 100,000, those kind of things, I will hear. You buy with one of 200,000, 300,000 later, you say not even one. And 4 you buy for your birthday. Excuse me. Huh? I said when we buy with one that time, that year, 10 years, 15, 12 years ago, when you might read that time, who not buy and say that you might go, you should buy land to God. Everybody know people we go watch this video, they know say I try to talk. You buy one with one for 1,000 euro, 1,200, 1,500. You're saying 6 or 7, now you want to buy or 8. We don't even buy. Now we buy 8 with one, we'll put that together, we'll fix and we'll the bands they go, the waka they go, you nearly thief us, we'll be like Americana, we'll be like all those Santo Domingo. You want our go take food, the bands. Not be one, not they buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Mine you want to not understand, so I'm bringing you because we did with the analyzer, our analyzer because people didn't so way they be understand me. I talk to your boy how we saga analyzing the matter see because this one John Bungo talk we go analyze them, people see pick points. Osama Gbe go see talk and go analyze and people see pick point. Everybody different people want talk you go come pick point for different people matter. You see take get sense. That make with the analyze, you see take get, you see take correct yourself. And so it still be if anything happen to me or anybody, you see correct her. You get the point where person see throw away for her. You see reason life almost okay. No, one time not the reason and nothing can lie. I pray. He saga, he did think the person must think If you watch, or let's say you not watch the video, or rather they not send the video for her, or you not see her. If you see the video, we will make we is sad, we have this thing not true. All this way they talk na 100 beg. 5 are beating of this matter not true, not correct. Not correct. This is why the children do not mistake or I want change. Yes, of course, be human being. The truth is very bitter. Let's be realistic. Let's talk true. Can I tell what I will? I don't know. We did here, that's how we be. Anyway, whenever she take build her soul, a village, it's good for her. And you know, just tell her, say congratulations, because if you tell person, I go, that is a no, congratulations, because the Bible, you see, give her happiness, because you know me, you understand? You know me. So, I'll come with that one. We'll go to your that one. I want your quick cut and short, because I want to end the live stream. So, congratulations again to Papa Nora and Ogie. I greet you again. Yes, so 2 twins, 2 girls. Wow, so beautiful. I never see them on my picture. I see, but then I know they will be a very beautiful children. God bless the new baby. Yeah, welcome again once more. You understand? So, yeah, why I'm going to go with go. Where I know it's you. You'll be my brother. But the one I caught they do saga. The thing come they do me some say this boy, not the rest was saga. This boy, why get belly, make it calm down. I mean, stop me focus. When they go buy things or do 1 or 2 when they prepare for the children where they come. Because each of them you understand? I prepare more already. You understand? Saga. Now you know go just be missing, not be good thing. But thank God your woman can still born. Now my mommy womb. Say glory be to God. Who's your host? But not be anybody to want for your information. Not be you, not be your mama, not be your wife, mama, not be whoever. Now God Almighty. So our more you know because now God me don't go. Me journey no. You understand me? I make I feel talk and say now sis that God bless me with. Me I not born twins. So I not born twins now one. That's why I say born my home. One until they born my home. I not born twins. God not give me twins. But give me one, I appreciate, you understand? Because some people they found only one, they never see. But God give me my own can be one, but that one can be seized by the grace of God. May God bless them for me, may God protect them for me. And I wish them the best in life, you understand? That one can be that one. Because may God still protect on our own. All children are blessed. All children are blessed. They are blessing from God, you understand? So this now the only thing we want to talk. When I stop, I watched one of your videos this morning. You say, do saga, all those things because of the children. I don't know if you still like you continue. If you like, mostly do, but I will advise you now. Advice I do. I will advise you, maybe stop all those things. All those things, they bring good fruits. Just calm down, forget all those things. Anybody with this saga, not my brother, not my sister. But then, why forget all those things? Focus on your twins right now. Even self, not be loud. I mean, they tell Steve. I mean, they tell you. You know, see chance they do live video, get why. I can't tell them, can you Latin in live video? I know what they talk. I'm not joking. I mean, they tell Steve. Should I tell you, say, I'm blessed with kids, 6 kids for that matter. If you know what be now, hey, one thing is for you to have the children. Second thing is for you to they cook them, they take care of the children. About and so every year. Enwe ya no kera mu neve ya rije enwe akiawe okere nu fence gbeso enwe akiawe aso every nya you wake up your eye go dey pain you no fit sleep daytime go see kweta you sit sleep na no easy again we are now ba we bie we my no that we ka ba bie ni na just testing based on na you born twins for that matter it's your biting ya. We know the story. So we try to talk now. Good thing if you cry and all those things. Yes, when I take off my children. My point be say, you know, we even get that time to call it saga. That be my point. If you happy say that between you even concept boza. Because when you make a saga, you are more fun while we are saga. You know that it's la of yen no mwe. La rien we la rien yo la rien se get the making no one dogume we am you bo na me dey test you go remember me if you watch this video. I know it's how they talk because I don't stay with person with born twins both for Nigeria both for Europe here that will no come. I don't stay with person with born twins. Sorry guys, I want my maid because I got one TV. My banana, I want my baka. I know they be now. Me, I just say the best way born twins. Not be lie on cause he walk. Yo hey. Cause he walk, yo hey. As in, on a vie born na vie born you dey carry this one, you dey bath, carry this one, you dey press the boy, carry this one, you give am bread, carry this one, you dey feed am. Now then you say you want cook, now then you say you want clean house, now then you say you want arrange your clothes, now then you say you want wash your clothes, you want to who know carry Tana. Mama easy, we know the story. So twins, baby, you are welcome. Is it Nelly and Nadia? You are welcome. Welcome to the world. Welcome that your father will not even have the time again to do saga again anymore because he will be very busy with you guys. Busy carrying you guys. So work with CS everywhere. One year lads near so that you know what stop a saga. My baby everywhere good, bust everywhere. So not so that will be. But even me again, my brother, oh the man I want some man 90. So I know it's you, but I couldn't visit. That's all the saga you only do. So hey. You don't do me, you calm down, not everybody, because this one they say carry your name go police. You don't carry your name go police. You don't carry your name. You also use your mind, use your teeth, take out your hand, your tongue, take out your teeth. Say, all to make you calm down. You understand? Eh? All to make you calm down. But thank God the twist can't come today. I be like yesterday. You don't get that time again. You know more more way. I know it's how they talk with big proof. I make I repeat and say I'm blessed with children, but I don't get twins. I know what it be. And my children, they see your body 1 year. So they see me 1 year, 1 year and 2 months. I say I want your rush born my children once. You make that by mess and so now you will tell us the rest story. You know how far. Ask anybody with your rush born children like that. My children sometimes they come out they say they be twins. Don't be lie. Yeah, I twins rock. But they're everywhere good. What am I trying to say? Una no wrong. Don't be lie. I'm my way twins. So God go bless the twins for you. Understand? So if I will drop this video right now, I would like to say please share and like this video. Always follow my page, Betty Sibo page. Follow me on my YouTube. Lady B who is perfect, you know. So that's the way it be. So I want to talk and reach this evening. So I will repeat again. Congratulations to the both of you, Papa Nora and Sandra. Let's again, may I be getting up being my congratulations. And may I be women when my congratulations. There you know. Boy very soon. So I will let Ladian so that no be have more congratulations. You know, easy because all you like meeting. Wow, may would win. If you tell me congratulations, if God bless you, I will tell you congratulations. That's how it be. So everywhere good sha. So now so share the video, like this video. So like and share the video, and please those of you that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Please share. Share. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Subscribe, people. Subscribe. Thank you, guys. And God bless you. And bye-bye. Because now I have to sleep. Because I have an appointment tomorrow morning by the grace of God. So share and like the video. Share to your friends in WhatsApp so that they will still be watching me and be following me. Also, give them my link, my YouTube channel, which is Lady B, who is perfect. And God bless you, people. Let's support each other. Support me. Comment below. Your comment can still be of a great help. In your comments, if you comment well, I can still see some points inside. Your comment might still teach me some kind of thing. Even me as I'm talking, I can still teach you some kind of thing. That's all with the life be. Teach me, I teach you. Every meeting ya Ido. Yes, every meeting ya do. We teach each other. You understand, people? So now so a big grazie everybody. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Sure, don't forget to share and press the like button. Also, whenever you watch the video, always press the like button, press the notification button so that you will be notified whenever I'm on live. Okay, people. Thank you and bye.